Hey, Augusta, Georgia, it's Brittany Hopkins, your virtual realtor. And we are into another week of this corona pandemic. And I am still very sad and praying constantly for all of you that are on the front lines of all of this. But as of last week, Governor Kemp went ahead and announced that real estate is an essential business. And for some of you, that may scare you. It does not scare me. It does not scare me at all. I can understand that for those of you that are looking to purchase a home, you're wondering about interest rates. You're wondering, how can you do it? How can you conduct all the business that you need to do on the real estate transaction to actually make sure it happens and happens successfully? If you're selling a home, you're probably wondering, how are you going to be able to sell a home with limited foot traffic through your property? Listen, I have been virtually selling real estate for years. I am Augusta's virtual realtor. So for me and my team, it really is business as usual. Yes, we have some tweaks that we have to make. Yes, there's some things that we are changing, but I'm excited about it because with change comes new opportunities for me to make sure that I'm conducting real estate business that best fits the prospective buyers and sellers in 2020. Okay, so I continue to want to be a better realtor for all of you. I continue to want to reach as many people that are out of state and out of the country as possible. I want you guys to feel confident in using me and my team and knowing that our abilities are strong. So you feel good about moving forward with a real estate transaction. Okay, so what am I doing that's going to be different now? I'm going to specifically, say that 3 times, speak about Whispering Pines. We are going to do our very first virtual open house. There is a number of ways to conduct virtual open houses, okay? A number of ways. But for us, since I have underlying health conditions, I've had to be very protective of myself and my family. And there's still a number of buyers and realtors and contractors, builders, going in and out of these homes that are under construction because we are an essential business. So they are working actively on the site. So there's a lot of germs, okay? And we can't go through and clean every single time someone goes in and out of a house on a home that's being constructed. That's just not possible. So with that being said, we will be doing our virtual open houses via Facebook Live, but in the future, once the curve has flattened for this corona pandemic, that's going to be what we're going to do in the future, hopefully in the coming weeks to months. But for right now, what we're going to do is a video of a specific property. I'm going to let all of you know which property it will be on various social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. I will be posting a flyer that's going to give the lot, the address, the price, the builder, and how we are going to conduct this. So really quickly, there will be a video done specifically for this house, specifically done by me. And on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, from the hours of 1:30 to 3:30, I will be ready and waiting to help all of you. So the best way to get me, you can call, you can email, you can even send a message through Facebook. The quickest is to text me. If you text me while you're watching this virtual open house between the hours of 1:30 and 3:30 on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, you will immediately get me. You will be able to ask me any question that you have. Maybe it's a standout feature. Maybe it's how the builder does something. If you want me to go and take a personalized video for you, you want measurements of a room, or maybe you want to see inside of a closet, or you want to see attic space, how much space is there to store things once you guys move here. All the things that you can't see in person by a standardized virtual tour that's done or an iGuide tour. That is what this virtual open house is going to do for you. And for years, I have done these videos for my clients and customers that are out of the state and out of the country, personalized for them. I'm still going to do that for all of you, don't worry. But what I'm going to start doing is doing videos like this and conducting virtual open houses for so many more people. Now, where it's going to get a little hairy is if you're currently working with another realtor, you can still text me and ask me questions, but I need all communication to go between me and that realtor. If you are not working with another realtor and myself and my team can earn your business, we would love the opportunity. But I'm very, very, very strict on this. I need to make sure that I am doing justice to my builders who are my sellers, and making sure I can get their properties out there and marketing them for all of you that are not able to travel here. You can't be here locally. You can't set up an appointment. You can't view these homes. I want to make sure you see what's available, because right now we sold 2 homes over the weekend in Whispering Pines, 7 the week before. That's 9 homes alone since this pandemic started. We are not slowing down. I have listed a home virtually. Her name is Tina Smith. You can ask her. We're in the process of doing that. You're going to see more information on that separately. Resales happening. New homes is happening. So with all these things being done, I've got to make sure that myself and my team are constantly staying ahead of the curve, and we are doing our buyers and our prospective buyers and our prospective sellers the best things for them to make sure that their homes sell. Okay, so I'm excited. It's going to be our first one. I'm doing the first one because I want to be the guinea pig for my team. And that way, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, between 1:30 and 3:30, you're going to get me. Text me, best. Facebook if you would like. Email or call. Text is the best. Can respond the quickest. And then I will personally make sure that you get every answer to any question that you have while the virtual open house is being conducted. So I'm pumped about it. Any questions, let me know. Feel free to reply to this on YouTube. Feel free to reach out to me directly. And the first virtual open house will be disclosed within the next couple hours. And we will plan on seeing each other tomorrow between 1:30 and 3:30. Any questions, as always, reach out to me, 706-631-1983. And myself, Bo, or Ben would love the opportunity to work with you. But please, if you're working with another realtor, have that realtor contact us. We are very, very strict. We are not going to do the things that your other realtor is already probably doing for you. We like to think that we are ahead of the curve and doing things in our own way, doing them to the best of our ability. But as much as I want to earn your business, I am extremely respectful of our industry. So with that being said, have fun. I'll see you Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Stay tuned for all the details, and call me if you need anything. Brittany Hopkins, 706-631-1983, Augusta's virtual realtor. Have been for years.